Una, gagawa tayo ng box. Yan. Click the object, type copy, then enter. And select the endpoint. 8.5. Good. Escape for disable the command. Then type the line. Then select a specify point. And for makuha ang angle, shift at 7, shift by angle is 55.5. Then press enter. Then for the disable the command, click escape. Yeah. Then type offset, enter, then enter 0.25 on each one. Take the object, then type multiple and enter. Then multiple, multiple, mhm, multiple, multiple, escape. To trim naman the exceed, just click the box and type trim. Type trim. Then select the exceeding line. Exceeding line. Exceeding line. Escape to enable the command. Then for the extend, type extend, or just click the box, click the box and type extend, then select the object. Um, pwede siyang manual, then pwede rin siyang select all, ganun. And for the next procedure naman tayo, for text. So, escape muna natin. For the spacing naman, type snap, enter, 0.1, enter. So, type text, enter, then specify the endpoint. Click, and then the size of is 0.3. Enter. So, just type lang, drone by, drone by, then enter. Para naman mapadali ang iyong just click, then copy, 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 click and then copy, 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 then select the object or turut down and right side. Escape. Then for editing naman, just double click, then then student, enter. Then for the, ano naman, for the name, just type dtext, dtext ulit, enter, starting point, then 0.6, enter. Yun. Just, and type your name. Of course naman. J dot, J dot, space, Katili. Enter, enter. Then, pwede mo siyang i-move. Pwede mo siyang i-move. Then, pwede na rin siyang i-properties, justify, and fitted. Yes, may makita ka naman na blue kada dulo. Ibig sabihin nun ay naka-fitted na siya. Then, edit naman natin tong drawing na kinapin natin as a activity number that. Okay. So, enter, enter. So, for the zero field naman is type line, enter, specify point, escape, line, enter, type circle, and specify point, then point, type circle, specify point, then type 0.6. Yun, escape. And delete, to finding, delete, select and delete. And for the number one is type dtext, kasi automatic na may stop na tayo 0.1. Specify 0.1, 2, yun. Size naman ito ay 0.8. Yun, enter, enter. Then type 1. Enter, enter. 2. Ayun. Properties, pwede rin nating i-fit. 8 feet, feet. So, yun naman, titingnan natin ang dimension.